Hi, this is Coach Sherry. So today I'm going to talk to you about being the Gordon Ramsay of your own life. Now, many of you know who Gordon Ramsay is. He's this amazing chef. He's got an empire built around himself where he, basically knows how to zhuzh up food, make it the best it can be. And I suggest you do this with your own life too. We're all trying to, where you have something that isn't working quite right, a recipe, so to speak, the recipe of your life. If it is boring, if it's dull, if it's the same old recipe that you use day after day, month after month, year after year, and you're just getting sick and tired of it, learn to zhuzh up your life by changing the recipe. Now, how do we do this? You have to experiment. So for instance, let's use a cooking example. For this coming Thanksgiving, I'm going to make what the heck is it? I don't know. I'm going to make this dish, and it's a vegetable that I just don't care for. Oh, I know what it is. Brussels sprouts. Yeah, because I don't eat Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I don't like Brussels sprouts. They're dull, they're boring, and when I had them as a kid, there was nothing to these things. Nothing excited me about Brussels sprouts. Nothing. But then when I tried them once, where you actually mix them with, like, sauteed bacon, and zhuzh them up a little bit with some spices, they were not too bad. So I'm actually going to make this dish to take something ordinary and bland and something that doesn't excite me anymore, and I'm going to turn it into something exciting. So I'm going to take Brussels sprouts, and I'm putting in bacon and cranberries and pecans and all kinds of wonderful spices, little juice of orange and stuff. So I'm really super, super excited to try this recipe. And I'm going to love it, because just by changing the recipe and adding a little spice, a little sweetness, makes a whole world of difference. And you can do this as well with your life. Just think about it. Change the recipe. Make it beautiful. Gordon Ramsay would be so proud. Anyway, I want you to have an amazing day. I will talk to you soon, and take care. Love to you all. Bye-bye.